Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at the market leading stocks for the coming session. This is going to be for the beginning of the week, Tuesday, January 20th, 2015. We have kind of a mixed uh, leaning here as far as the bias goes in the NASDAQ match. We do have a fair amount of upside CPS conditions, but we do have a couple of downsides as well. So we're a little bit bent to the buy side, but it's certainly nothing that's too dramatic. Apple, I think, is going to be interesting. We're seeing a pickup in volume on the way down here. We do have a downside CPS. A lot of movement in Amgen, closed well above the open and strongly above the VWAP. Upside CPS and Biogen, similar price action. Good open close deviation and also a VWAP deviation. We're seeing that different sector, but we're also seeing that kind of a push coming out of Netflix. Let's move on and take a look at what's going on with the financials. Financials have a little bit of a stronger bent here. You can see the volume. We're going to see a lot of volume bumps, left over from expiration. But we do have a fair amount of upside CPSs here in the financials where we don't have any of those latent sell signals here. That's important. Energy patch, couple of names sticking out. You want to look at BP, Devon, and also Schlumberger. They also have all three of those have volume deviations, and ExxonMobil, which is one of the heavyweights, has an upside CPS with it. Market generals, a little more benign, this is kind of what you usually see on an expiration day. Got a couple of upside CPSs and one downside. A lot of volume, no real deviations here. We've got a deviation locked in here in Dow Chemical and also one in Best Buy. Taking a look at housing, very, very strong day on Friday. You can see the movement here starting to recover a little bit. A lot of the names got hit pretty hard off of what happened with KBH earlier in the week, so we're starting to see some recovery here. Transports, no outright deviations, but we do have one signal here at the upside in the UNP. Don't forget, we could see a little lighter volume on Tuesday as we go into the beginning of the new option cycle. Commodities, fair amount of volume, some good movement here. Look at the movement in double G, 4.5% above the day's open, but unfortunately here we're not getting any signals either way. But remember, give a little time here for things to shake out ahead of the new option cycle. It could take a day or two, but we definitely have some good ranges to work with. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.